Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will talk about the Solana Airdrop and how to get tokens in just a couple of minutes. If this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button to join our crypto family and keep up to date with all issues related to cryptocurrency. As you guys know, the field of crypto airdrops is full of new opportunities. In this video, we will talk about the new Solana Airdrop service. Solana Airdrop has launched a new service for all its users. If you are the owner of Solana or are engaged in decent activities on Solana, you will be eligible to receive tokens. For example, if you have Solana coin, you will immediately receive $400 from your savings. As usual, check out all the materials related to the airdrop event by clicking on the links in the description and in the comments section. The balance of my trust wallet is 25.23 Solana coins, or $3,825. Let's go to the airdrop website. You can find a link to it in the description of this video. Click the Get Rewarded button. Choose any convenient wallet. In my case, this is Trust. Connected. Everything is ready. In just a few steps, I was able to earn $400, thanks to the Solana Airdrop. Guys, don't miss this opportunity to earn money, as it can be a great opportunity to enrich your crypto portfolio. Goodbye.